A group of jeep drivers at Yala National Park staged a protest early this morning, demanding the cancellation of safari jeep registrations. The protest, which began at 5 a.m., caused significant inconvenience to both local and foreign tourists, according to our correspondent. The protest led to a tense dialogue between the park's administration and the jeep drivers. The Yala National Park authorities, represented by the park's warden Manoj Vidyaratna, engaged in discussions with the drivers to address their grievances. The protest was temporarily suspended following a promise of a meeting with the relevant minister later today. Currently, there are 550 registered safari jeeps at Yala National Park, with an additional 100 jeeps awaiting registration. The protesting drivers are part of this group seeking registration. Warden Manoj Vidyaratna stated that a decision regarding the issue would be made following today's discussions.